Linda Ahlgren, the beautiful Linda Ahlgren from Sweden. It's rhyme. Rhyme Sweden, Ahlgren. Maraming salamat, Linda Ahlgren. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for visiting the Luvlines live stream. Again, na-miss ko si Cecily. This is Linda Ahlgren. Thank you so much, more power, and God bless. Love ya, Sisi. Sis Linda Ahlgren. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. More power. God bless. Thank you so much for the visit and for this super love chat. No, super love sticker pala. Maraming salamat dito sa super love sticker. Thank you so much, Linda. More power. God bless.